towards our second case study of marketing chapter. Timeline Watch Manufacturing Company is a renowned company marketing watches. So there is one company called as Timeline Watch Manufacturing Company who manufactures watches. It performs various activities like market analysis, product designing, merchandising, packaging, warehousing, branding, pricing, promotion and selling. So it performs different kind of activities, and these are the few kind of activities which this Timeline Watch company performs. The company maintains good customer relations through various follow-up activities. So company is maintaining good customer relationship. It is maintaining good relations with the customers by doing constant follow-ups. This helps the company in procuring repeat sales order. So since the company is so good, it does the follow-up services and everything, the customers are pretty loyal to them. They always make purchases from their company only. So this was the case. Let us see the question. Name the concept related to the activities mentioned in the above paragraph. So what concept or what are they doing actually? All of these things comprises of what? Comprises of which activity? So this is very simple. They are doing nothing but marketing. They are engaged in marketing activities. Let us see the detailed answer for this. Marketing. Marketing is a concept related to the activities mentioned in the above case. Marketing is the business process of creating relationships with and satisfying customers. With its focus on the customer, marketing is one of the premier components of business management. So the activity about which this particular company is doing is called as marketing activity, because under marketing activity, all of these things take place. Pricing, branding, labeling, customer support service, all of these things is the part of marketing. So the company is engaged in marketing activity. Next question. Explain any two features of the concept identified in the part A. So we have identified that marketing is going on in the company. Now what are the features of marketing? So roughly we can say identifying and doing market analysis. These are the features of marketing. Identifying and doing market analysis, gathering information about market, pricing, labeling, storage, standardization, grading. All of these things are the few features of marketing. You have to name any two features about marketing. So let us see the detailed answer for this. The two features of marketing are described below. First, needs and wants. So in the meaning of marketing, I told you that it is the responsibility of the organization to understand the needs and wants of its customers or consumers. So marketing is a social process that seeks to satisfy the needs and wants of individuals as well as of organizations. So the first feature of marketing is to understand the needs and wants of the customers. And second, creating a market offerings. So the complete offer for a product or a service possessing certain specific features like size, quality, color, etc. is known as marketing offer. So, or marketing offering. So this is also the work or job of the marketing, that they should provide all their goods and services with standardization, with uniformity, with same size, same quality, same quantity, same color. All of these are the responsibilities of the marketing. So that is why we say the second feature or the feature of marketing could be creating a market offerings. You are providing all the commodities, all the products of standardized. It is standardized basically. That means same commodity, same size, same quality, same color. For take an example, thumbs up. Now, if you see the bottle of 20 rupees, thumbs up bottle for 20 rupees, you will find out that you go in whichever region, whichever part of the country, you are going to get same size. You are not going to get different sizes of bottles for 20 rupees of thumbs up. for 20 rupees of any cold drink. It is going to be of a same size, same quality, same quantity, and same taste. That is what? That is maintaining the standardization. And this is what called as market offerings. So basically, this case talked about the meaning of marketing basically, and the features of marketing. So you should know features of marketing, very important, and then you can mention any two features which are more relatable on the case. Thank you.